I'm going to solve this equation. So notice that I have a fraction plus a fraction equals a fraction. So I can't cross multiply. So I'm going to do fraction buster by getting rid of the denominators. But I noticed that the last term I'm going to be able to factor out of 4. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. So I'm going to multiply everything by my least common denominator. So it's the number they share. And in this case, it's just going to be 4 and x plus 5. So I'm going to multiply all three terms by 4x plus 5. So on the first term, the x cancels, and I'm left with x plus 5 times x plus 3. On the second one, the x plus 5s are going to cancel, so I'm going to be left with negative 12. And on the third term, they both cancel, so I'm just left with negative 9. I'm going to go ahead and distribute the x and distribute the 5. I'm going to combine my like terms. I'm going to add 9, and then I'm going to factor this because it's a quadratic. So I need two numbers multiplied together that gives you x squared, two numbers multiplied together that gives you 12, which would be 6 and 2. So then I'm going to use the zero product property, and I end up with x minus 6 and x minus 2. Remember that we need to check for restrictions. And in this case, my restrictions are going to be x minus 5. And that's the only restriction that I do have. So my answers are not those. So I have two answers. X is equal to negative 6 and x is equal to negative 2.